Hello everyone, in this video I will explain CSS background properties. I will take div tag and will set width height accordingly and will give color to this div. Now you wanna give color to background. For that use body element and give background color. If you wanna set image as a background, use background image. In URL, give path of the image. You can see it will repeat the image because image size is small. If you do not wanna repeat the image, give background repeat, no repeat. If you wanna repeat horizontally, give background repeat X. For vertically, give repeat Y. To set the image as a whole cover, use background size cover. You can give gradient color also. For that, in background image, give linear gradient and mention it in two colors.